I've seen these on TV sometimes, but I've never actually seen them in the wild, man. These are some of the craziest creatures in the wild. If I can get them. What is going on, guys? Meta Michael here at Riding for Earth. I'm here in Sedona, Arizona, where I will be exploring, filming, and hiking every single day for a week straight. So get absolutely ready, because you guys are in for a real treat. What's going on, guys? Welcome to day number 4 here in Sedona. Today is kind of a special day. I'm not actually hiking around red rocks. Yesterday kind of screwed me up. If you saw yesterday's vlog, which I'll link up here. Good morning, guys. It's about 4:30 a.m. So I woke up this morning after 13 hours of sleep. Before that, I hadn't slept in over 48 hours, close to 50 hours. I was awake. So my days are kind of flip-flop today. Today, we're gonna chill at this wetland preserve. Ponds and lakes here, birds, ducks. The plan is to see as much wildlife as we can. I think there's some flowers around here, but as much wildlife. And me being the, genius that I am, I'm gonna try to tell you guys some wildlife, what things are. So let's go find some wildlife. That right there is what we call a duck. Some say you're not supposed to look at a duck for too long. To those people, I say, watch this. This guy was just like, don't touch my dogs. In the wild, I can't believe. Oh, let's see if I can get them. Man, they're just sitting there. I wonder if they're sleeping. Oh man, another one just drove by. So many sounds everywhere. I think I've talked about this though. I have a rant cast coming out. I definitely have a podcast coming out on it. Here, I'm actually going to try to sit down for this. But I kind of want to intro it right now is the whole idea of feeling anxious, stressed, worried, alone in the world, and how nature can actually heal that. So pretty much what I've been thinking lately is this idea of nature, being our true selves, healing us from many sufferings and problems that we have today. But I really believe, man, if you are anxious I guess there's two sides. One side is the cause and the other is the effect of how to take that away. Just stepping outside and, being with real time and the world and the creatures that actually live in this world can really put us in a calming state of mind and a understandable state of mind. Sometimes with technology, it seems so endless and infinite. Like we can sit in an area where you can kind of see everything around you and it's all real, a little more. You understand, like, there's some water in front of me, there's birds around here. You're sitting in real time. When you're online, it can be very infinite. That is the cause of it, is these technological inanities that we have. I don't know if that's even a word. But yeah, so I believe that putting that stuff down every so often and just stepping outside, you don't need to go on some spiritual journey. As long as you just sit outside, observe things, kind of be aware of your surroundings, even that will make you feel 1,000 times better in a stressful, anxious, worried, depressed kind of state. So that's a little talk for you. Hopefully this is short. I don't want this to be too long. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to follow me around North America in my 1992 Toyota Winnebago, then you gotta hit that subscribe button. Or you can hit my icon to the left here and it'll take you to my channel where you can subscribe there. You can check out some recent videos below. As always, guys, so much love. Safe travels out there, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 5.